Folks, I am just criticizing against Danmar Dayaw. For me, nobody to be friends with Danmar. Because this Danmar Dayaw, pathetic Marcos loyalists. Some of Marcos loyalists, they want to make fake account. For me, I never want to make fake account. It has to stop making fake account. Danmar Dayaw, I am saying to you, you need to stop making fake account. For me, I've been talking with Jerick Silva last night about the incident of Teacher Vincent Ramos, Teacher Gio Malana. I already have my own press con. I apologize to Teacher Gio Malana and Teacher Vincent Ramos for making a fake account. I explained it to Jerick Silva. I apologize to them sincerely. Unlike you, Danmar, you need to stop making fake account. You're the one who making fake account of my Facebook. You're the one who make fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill. What kind of person that you're making a fake account? This is hard to say, Danmar. Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan and the other Marcos loyalist. Both of you, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, why can't both of you just stop making fake account on Facebook? Like I said before, I just want to explain, when I was talked by Jerick Silva, ito talaga si Danmar Dayaw at si Sangkay Janjan, gumagawa ng fake account. Inaaway niya si yung nanay ni David Gill, si Mrs. Annie Gill. And what does Mrs. Annie Gill say? So I have never intention to harass the PWD, even the Duterte supporter. I have nothing to do anything against them. Mrs. Annie Gill says, the mother of David Gill says, now you see, I was got in sued by David Gill family just because you're trying to brainwash me, Danmar. Danmar Dayaw, I will put you in my enemy list. Hayop ka, Danmar. When I asked by Roylan Marlang, like I talked with Clarence Barredo in Messenger, like I said before, that Kuya Rodelio Daguman's fake account on Facebook, that's not really him. And the picture of Sara Duterte, it's not really him. Fake account yan. What is wrong with you, Danmar? We're creating a stupid trolls. What is wrong with you, Danmar, to ruining Cedric Mariano? You're always telling a bunch of lie. You are a liar, Danmar. You're telling me about stupid lies. If I want to say to all of you, to all of Autism Society of the Philippines, even to Ronald Rebena and John Almonte, and even Rafa Soco, and even the rest of the others. Even I remember Ian Martinez, even Jens Manaid. Unfriend Danmar Dayaw in Facebook. Especially Sangkay Janjan, unfriended him also. I asked the Duterte supporters, unfriend Sangkay Janjan. I asked the Autism Society of the Philippines, Dan Mardayaw should be unfriended. I asked them, even Cedric Mariano, Carlos Kanahashi, Matthew C., Ronald Ribena, Rafa Soco, Brainerd Tabiji, Jens Manaid, Ian Martinez, and Sir William Ducot, and Nicky Miranda, and Gabriel Narag. Unfriend that son of a bitch, Dan Mardayaw. You know, Dan Mar, I had enough about making fake account. You need to stop making fake account. I say to both of you, Sangkay Janjan and Dan Mardayaw and the other Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, all of you just stop creating all those trolls. Stop creating about fake account. Even Mrs. Annie Gill had asking me, oh, I have nothing to do against the Duterte supporters. Oh, I have nothing to do against the PWD. Oh, I was explained by J. Rick Silva. I have nothing to do against Cedric Mariano. Eh, you, Dan Mardayaw, you creating fake account to Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David. You don't be how to be ashamed to all those people that you bully them, Danmar. First of all, you make fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman, and you still harassing him. I was asked by his brother, Kuya Robin Daguman. Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he has nothing anything. He doesn't do anything about Danmar. Eh, wala naman po kinalaman kay Danmar. And he never post against Cedric. Oh, wala naman po ginagawa kay Kuya Rodelio Daguman kay Cedric. You know, he's not doing anything to Cedric. Oh. First of all, you make a fake account of David Gill to ruin Cedric Mariano in Demon Art. I was asked by David Gill, why did you did this to me? Oh, why did you do anything? Did you hack my account? I said no. Oh, I have nothing to do. Because somebody who framing to everyone and who framed me. Oh, it was you, Danmar. And it's not David Gill. You know, Danmar, you need to stop making fake account. Alright? You need to stop. Unlike you, for me, I made the one who make a fake account of Teacher Gio, Teacher Vincent. Oh, I know this is my consequence. I apologize to Teacher Vincent Ramos. I apologize to Teacher Gio Malana. I explained to J. Rick Silva for what I did to them. Eh, that is a cyber libel. You know, Danmar, you do not know about cyber libel. You don't know about the cyber crime. That's why Kevin Suarez had blocked you in Facebook because you're creating lots of trolls. You're creating about full of negatives. Why did you make fake account, Danmar? You know, in the past, I'm the one who make fake account of Luis Cabales. I'm the one who make fake account of Ronan Cayabyab, JD Vinegas, or even who else? Kuya Rodelio Daguman last 2024. Oh, that's an incident. Even even I'm saying it's really an incident. Oh, I'm just gonna say to them, I apologize to them sincerely. Oh, I never want to make fake account on Facebook. Danmar, with all due respect, stop creating about fake accounts on Facebook. Even you, Sangkay Janjan. I just wanna tell to both of them, Sangkay Janjan and Danmar Dayaw, both of you, you need to stop making fake account on Facebook. Because if you make fake account, it will cause you in lots of trouble. Oh, I was asked by Teacher May Tiborcio, who make the fake account of Mrs. Annie Gill and even David Gill. Oh, I explained to Teacher May Tiborcio, it's Danmar Dayaw. Oh, eh, you know, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, both of them, they create fake account of David Gill and Mrs. Annie Gill. Because I know I've been explained with Teacher May Tiborcio. I say to her, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan are both of them are responsible for creating dummy accounts or fake account on Facebook. So you need to stop. It has to stop. You need to stop this creating dummy accounts. You know, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, I say to both of you, you don't know about Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. You do not know Anti-Safe Space Act. Oh, at least I explain it to Paulo Cruzada. Oh, I explain it to everyone. Oh, you don't know what is cybercrime. First of all, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, do not make a fake account on Facebook. Do not invade the privacy of Mrs. Annie Gill, the mother of David. David Gill, okay, I said that, David Gill. Oh, do not invade all the privacy, even Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, do not invade the privacy. Even the Silan brothers, that the enemy of Danmar Dayaw, do not invade their privacy. You know, I've been explained by Roylan. Roylan says to me, ayoko na maging friends kay Danmar Dayaw. Oh, yang si Danmar, nagagawa ng mga fake account sa Facebook like he says. You know, Roylan says, dapat si Danmar tigilan niya yung gawa ng fake account. What I realize, he has to stop. You know, if you make fake account, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, both of you would be arrested by NBI. Oh, you know, not only the NBI will be arrested, because there is you know, I told to the family of David Gill, instead you filing against me in cases, you can file the cases against Danmar Dayaw and also Sangkay Janjan. If you receive it at the subpoena in also in their house, in, you know, the house of Sangkay Janjan in Quezon City, even the house of Danmar Dayaw in Pasay City, in Baclaran. I hope, I'm gonna say to both of you, Danmar Dayaw and Sangkay Janjan, huwag kayong gumawa ng kalokohan. Like I said, you know, it's really offended when you make fake account on Facebook. Oh, this is why I criticize against Sangkay Janjan in my YouTube video. This is what I criticize against Dan Mardayaw for creating too much fake account and ruining the reputation of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Like I want to explain, Kuya Rodelio Daguman has a normal writing in Facebook or in his post. He has nothing to do against anyone. For just example, how did Kuya Rodelio Daguman knows Ernest Marisigan? He doesn't know him. Hindi niya kilala yon. He doesn't know who's that person that he met for. It's all nonsense. You know, me and Jerick Silva, we are always angry at both of you. Dan Mardayaw and Sangkay Janjan. Puro kayo gawa-gawa ng fake account like in Facebook. Sirain ng ibang tao like whatsoever. Both of you do not know about cyberbullying.